In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly to Chrome, making scheduling a breeze right from your browser. Calendly is an incredibly handy tool for organizing meetings efficiently and avoiding the back and forth of email scheduling. Let's dive into the process of adding this useful extension to your Chrome browser so you can streamline your scheduling tasks. First things first, you'll need to open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're using Chrome, as this process specifically applies to adding extensions to this browser. Once Chrome is up and running, head over to the Chrome Web Store. You can easily find it by typing Chrome Web Store into your search bar and clicking on the appropriate link. When you arrive at the Chrome Web Store, you'll see a search box prominently displayed. This is where you'll type in Calendly and press Enter to initiate the search. It's important to ensure you're selecting the official extension, so look for Calendly Token's name, Meeting Scheduling Software by Calendly. This is the one you'll want to install to ensure you have all the features and support from the official provider. Once you've found the correct extension, you'll see an option to add to Chrome. Go ahead and click on that. A pop-up window will appear, asking for confirmation to add the extension. Simply click on Add Extension, and Chrome will take care of downloading and installing it for you. This process is usually quick, but it may take a moment depending on your internet speed. After the installation is complete, you'll need to sign in to your Calendly account. To do this, click on the extensions icon, which looks like a small puzzle piece located in the top right corner of your Chrome browser. From the list of extensions, select Calendly. If you already have a Calendly account, sign in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one right from there. It's a simple process, and once you're signed in, you'll have access to all of Calendly's scheduling features. For those of you who like having quick access to your tools, you might want to pin the Calendly extension to your toolbar. To do this, click on the extensions icon again, and then click the pin icon next to Calendly. This keeps the extension visible and easily accessible whenever you need it. Now that Calendly is set up in your Chrome browser, you can take advantage of its powerful features. The extension allows you to share scheduling links, create one-time meeting links, and access your event types with ease. You can even schedule meetings directly from platforms like Gmail, LinkedIn, and other websites, saving you time and effort in managing your calendar. By following these steps, you've successfully added Calendly to your Chrome browser, setting yourself up for more efficient scheduling. Enjoy the convenience and simplicity that comes with having all your meeting tools just a click away. Happy scheduling!